Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back. I am so happy you are here today. Today, we're making pineapple skin tea together. And we're going to make this tea with fresh pineapple. So, all you have to do is to enjoy this video. I'll first start by cleaning the pineapple under running water with a clean brush to ensure that the pineapple skin is clean and ready to be used. After this, I'll proceed to cut off the skin for use much later. And while I do this, I like to let you know that in this video, I'll be sharing with you some pineapple peel benefit or pineapple skin benefits, as they say. So, here are some things you should know about boiling pineapple skin and its benefits. First, it reduces inflammation. The bromelain in pineapple skin helps to cut down inflammation in our body. Another benefit is pineapple skin is a digestive aid. It improves digestion, it fights against constipation, and then it helps to build healthy gut flora in our body. If you're looking for how to boost your immune system, this is also an immune booster. And the reason for this is the high levels of vitamin C in pineapple and its skin. So it is great for our immune system. As you can see, I have finished removing the skin and I'll save the flesh, that's the edible part of the pineapple, for later because of course I intend to enjoy all the benefits that this fresh pineapple has to offer me. I'll put all the skin in a bowl and then I'll get ready to make the pineapple skin tea. Remember, this video is to show you how to boil pineapple skin or how to make pineapple peel tea. I'll start by putting the peel in a pot. Then I'll fill the pot with water until the water lightly covers the peel or the pineapple skin. After this, I'll cover the pot and boil on medium heat for 20 to 25 minutes. Here is one thing that I think I need to let you know. It is essential to drink this in moderation. Moderation is key for everything, including this delicious and healthy tea. Now, the tea is ready and it's time to serve. And another thing you can do with this tea is to combine it with other ingredients such as ginger. You can also add it to your black tea, green tea, just to make it more rich, vibrant, and tasty. And I have come to the end of this video. You will notice that this video is straight to the point. So I'm just going to be straight to the point with you as well. Why not like this video, leave a comment, and share this video till I post my next video. Bye!